In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Acuity Scheduling to your Shopify store. If you're looking to streamline your booking or appointment process right on your Shopify site, integrating Acuity Scheduling is a fantastic way to go. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your scheduler up and running, ready for customers to make their appointments seamlessly. First, we need to get the necessary code from Acuity Scheduling. Start by logging into your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Once you're in, navigate over to the Client Scheduling page section. In this area, you'll find an option labeled Embed Scheduler. This option provides you with the HTML code you'll need to integrate the scheduler into your Shopify page. Go ahead and copy this HTML code to your clipboard. It's essentially the bridge between Acuity and Shopify, allowing both platforms to communicate and function together smoothly. Now that we have the code, it's time to add it to your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin, which is your main control center for all things related to your Shopify store. Here, look for the online store option on the left-hand menu and click on it. This will expand a submenu where you'll want to select pages. You'll see a list of pages that currently exist on your site. Choose the page where you'd like to feature the scheduler. Many businesses choose a page titled Book a Consultation or something similar, but feel free to select whichever page suits your needs best. With your chosen page open, you'll see a rich text editor. This is where you can usually add text, images, and other content to your page. To embed your scheduler, you'll need to click on the Show HTML button, which often looks like a pair of angle brackets or the HTML symbol. This button switches the editor from the standard view to the HTML view, allowing you to add and edit HTML code directly. Once you're in the HTML view, paste the HTML code you copied from Acuity Scheduling right into the editor. This embeds the scheduler onto that specific page. After pasting the code, make sure to save your changes. There should be a save button located either at the top or bottom of the page. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made are applied and visible to your customers. Finally, take a moment to view your page. You can do this by clicking on the View button, often located near the Save button. This allows you to see exactly how the scheduler appears to your customers. It's always a good idea to double check that everything looks and functions as expected. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added Acuity Scheduling to your Shopify store. This integration will not only enhance your site's functionality, but also improve the booking experience for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.